Welcome to the PaintShop Pro video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the new merge feature in PSP. Now first thing to do, just going to go over here. I've got a couple of layers, got 5 layers, and what you can do, just select a few, and I'm just going to select those. What you can do, right click, and you've got merge, and you can of course do merge all flatten. So at that point you merge the whole lot. That's just standard basically. Got here those ones selected. What I can do, I can actually go to merge and merge selected. So I'm going to merge selected. You can see then they're merged. They're two just be merged there, and you can see it calls it merged. I can undo that. Got those still selected. What you can do, also go merge and merge selected to new layer. Now it keeps the old ones, so you've got the old layers still there, but now they're merged and they've been created into a new layer, which is quite useful because you can then just go over there and you can move it away and do other things with that, and still keeping the old ones there. So I'm going to undo that and undo the merge. Now what you can also do is merge visible, so you can just basically don't have to do that, just click one of them, just go to merge, and you can say merge visible. So they're all obviously visible, so they can all be merged. Undo again. You can also merge visible to new layer. So again, just do that, and then they're all merged, and you can see then you've got this lovely merge layer, which I can then move over, and they're all added there. Now it considers obviously the background to be a layer, which is perfectly reasonable. So if you don't want that, I'm just going to undo. What you can do, you can actually just go over there, undo that, so I don't want that as well. Then you can just go there and toggle, and you can then say merge for that. So just there, merge and visible to new layer, and obviously there without the background. Right, there's other options. I'm just going to bring back the other one as well. Now you can go there, right click, merge, and there's an option here for merge group. Now merge group, well basically what you have to do, I've got those 2 selected, so I'm just going to go with 2 of those. Just go to layers, and there's an option there, new layer group. So just added new layer group, click OK at that point. So you can see now they're in a group, and now of course what you can do, right click, merge group is available. So you can click that, and then you see they're just merged. Does obviously much the same as what was before as well. So undo at that point, undo merge group, undo new group, and there's also an option, and I'm just going to go there, merge down. So you can click there and merge down, and that will be merged with the one there. Again, merge down, and it will just keep merging the ones that are just below. So that's a quick run through those, but you can also do it via layers, and there's a merge down, etc. all there. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you very much.